Welcome. So today I'm going to teach you a beautiful website using this particular website view that I came across. I've actually taught a lot of people about how to use this website. And now the beautiful part about this website is that you can make use of your smartphone to actually create the website. Now the reason why I'm using my system to my laptop basically to create the website is because I want to show you an overview. Now, everything you will see me do on my system is also applicable when you are actually operating with your mobile phone. So the name of the site is so basically site123. I don't know if you know about it. It's a free website that you can use. There's also paid plan. But now this is it. So just when you say site123, you just head over here. Now this is an advert. You don't click on this. This is not the ad. This is not the site. This is the site123. So now once you click on site123, now because I already have an account which I'm going to be logging out now. So what you're going to see basically is this. So basically what you're going to be seeing is this. So this is how it looks like. You can see over here. So now um, I've actually used this website to create a lot of stuff for my clients, e-commerce, especially for some owners. Now I'm going to show you one of my clients store and I'm going to show you my student website that she created. So site 22. All right, so now you just click on start here. So once you click on start here, it's going to take you to the sign up page. So now you're going to fill in the information you want to fill in. So let's say which category of website I want to create. Is it online store, blog, and so on. So these are the categories. So I'm going to be going for the online store because basically most of us are actually into selling. And now the e-commerce business is actually moving crazy. So not only do you learn how to create this e-commerce store, but you can also provide services to business owners without any amount. Understand? Depending on the kind of clients you're meeting. So basically, you're going to give it a name. So I'm just going to give it just let me just put it John. So now we go to final step. So now I'm going to ask to fill in my details over here. Let me ask you my details over here and click start my website. Now because I already have an account, see 100 of site123 website created in Nigeria today. Basically, the real truth is over thousands of students have taught have actually use this website with us. So I'm literally part of them, you understand? So now I'm going to be logging into the website. So basically, this is my website. So let me click on my website. So I'm going to log in. All right, very good. So basically, this is it. So now, exactly what I showed you here, you have to fill in the details. So now you come over here and click create new website. Right, so we're going to do it like that because I already have an account with them. Now, because you don't have an account with us, I follow this procedure. So, because for the sake of this class, so I'm going to be using the same name I used earlier on, then create a website. Is it for yourself or for your client? Now, we're going to be clicking create a website for myself. Now, everything is going to be a website. Now, the why it's called online stores is because you're going to be selling online. So basically, it comes with e-commerce functionality. So e-commerce functionality means you literally having some extra features. So now you're going to wait for the website that to bring out what you'll be using to create your website. So, so here we go. So start with the website. So you can actually click this, just anyone you want to do. So basically, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Everything here. Now, take note, the reason why you have premium templates available to you is um, most beginners have issues with the website. That's the most beginners. I mean, people literally go through the stress, or should I, yes, I don't use the word stress. Most people don't know what comes first on a website, especially when it comes to online store. Now, for online store, it's just the name of the store, put the shop down. Now, let me just show you something similar to how I changed this type of website to this particular website to the same over here. So this is the website. I changed this website to this website. Now you see there's nothing much of a difference, only the shop now and the rest. So basically that is it. That is it. You can actually convert all the stuff. Now with this image, you can edit basically everything here. You see edit. Now you click on this, you see pages you want to add, uh, popular pages, contacts, depending on what you want. Yeah. So now let's head over to let's put extraordinary collection. Now let's say we want to change the background. So you click on background. So now we can put, let's search for the images we like to use. So let's put people. Okay. Now because I think they have this kind of stuff. So what I always advise people to do is just head over to Unsplash. So you can get free background pictures, yes, images basically. What you want to use. Now because I'm running fashion store, so I can just search for just search for clothing. So now I'm going to see different type. So now which one actually goes with what I'm about to do? That's the question, because now which one goes with what I'm about to do? So what I'm going to do is basically, so let's get this. So now you can upload that. So one of the upload is going to show you file stuff. Now, because of this class, I'm going to should I use this? Okay. Now take note, if I'm going to be using this background, now what I'm going to do is what my focus is going to be on. So what my focus is going to be on is stuff. So what my focus is going to be on is what kind of store am I creating? You understand? Now, because for the practicing using this, now you can see for this client that actually created this website for him. I mean, so you can see shoe, belt, basically everything is selling. Now, if you come over here, you see this is basically what's selling. Exactly what I kept in. Sneakers, although he hasn't had a product for sneakers, but actually cover up what I'm actually what is actually selling. So once someone comes to this website, they already know what is actually into. Fashion and clothing store. So basically, this is actually fashion wear based on trends, and also, so I can use that background or use this background. But because of this guys, I'll try this background and see how it works. So let's upload. All right. So let's use this. Okay. Now let's see. Let's wait for it. Now let's see how the background will look like. Basically, this is how the background will look like. So now, image editor. So now let's edit the image. So let's maybe transfer it to something better, something basic focus on it. That's what I'm trying to say. All right. So now, um, take notes. I'm creating this website using my phone, sorry, my system. Now, with this website builder, I can set it to mobile device. So while I'm editing, it will not affect what I'm doing. I don't understand. So now let's push. Let's focus on this. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's see if it's not okay or something. Let's see. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. So, I remember I said you can set it to mobile. So now once you set to mobile, this has been local. You understand? This has been local. That's been local. So now let's do this one. So let's close this. So so what we're going to do doing here now is editing some stuff. So I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going to see image filter and the rest. But now what I want to do is see in case you don't like the background or you don't like this, you can change the templates like the heading template. This is so once I click on it, it's going to change. And now because I put an online store, the AI automatically generated this for us. You understand? So basically that's what you should take note of. So let's do this. Okay. So now let's go to pages. So now our e-commerce page, which is set some stuff. So now let's edit this part. So now here over here you see the catalog. Catalog means like try to collection. For example, now when you go to the shop, you're gonna see something like this is um, shoe collection. This is where the female clothes collection is, and have the particular name and the rest. So basically, that's what you can see right here. The men, the women. Now you can edit this. Everything can be edited. Take notes. Everything can be edited. So now you edit it with the description if you want to. So now, while you're doing this, what I always advise people to do is you can click on the visualizer. Yeah, just once. While I always just publish it. Then this is the link. So now we're going to open link in the tab. So now each time we make an edit, let's say we do this stuff, we just have to refresh to see how our website looks like. Basically, you refresh to see how the website looks like. So now, once you click on edit, you come back here and see all products, so categories of products. So basically, what you're seeing here, product you're seeing here, that's it over here. So now you can edit this. So come and see edit. Then fill in the information you want to fill in all the information you want to fill in over here. Now, take note once you're done with editing, there's the options. That's what kind of option you want to add. Is it color, size of the stuff, the date and time they want to pick it, uploading family, they should choose the kind of product they need. You know, there are some e-commerce websites that your clients allow your client to choose what they want, basically, like trying to treat them like VIP. So turn that off if you know they're not going to make that for you. Now, attributes, you see, you set the value and the rest. Now, because of they're not doing this. Now, I'm going through all this because I want you to see how it looks like and what you can make of it. So now for the shipping, you can set it to free shipping, fixed rates per item. So if you want to put free shipping, basically it's going to change. So you're going to put the weight. That's if you want to. No shipping. No shipping is basically if it's not a physical product, basically a digital product. Obviously, shipping is not going to be included. That's it, that you're just going to be downloading stuff. Then now automatically manage inventory. So just set it to stock or just click on this. So now related products. So automatically it's going to generate the product that's attached to it. Anything have to do with the product, the name and the rest. See from the same category. Then click on more. See the minimum purchase order. So basically this is how um, this is basically how um, e-commerce functionality looks like. You understand? So now we're going to discard changes because we're not now normally you are going to click on save changes, but we don't want to no problem. Now on the home page you can set what you want to appear here. So now let's say I delete this or I want to edit this. So once I click on this, I'm going to change it to collection. show all in the basically just leave it this way. So now once I refresh this, then change this to still that selection. Try to select change. So basically this is it, this two category. Then okay, it doesn't change. No crowds, no crowds. You can just edit. You can just edit it normally. You can save it normally. And once you go back, you can edit it. So now for the design, you can change our design, set it to what you want it to be, how it looks like. So you can choose the style. Basically style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4, style 5, style 6. Depending on how, and now you see how the styling looks like. Basically just how you want the styling to look like. As in the structure, the structure of the style. This one, the name and the price is by the left, and it has a funny way of look. Then you see it by the right. This ones, you see this one. You have until they come until they touch the product's name and price comes up appears. This same also, and this one just in the middle, depending on what you want. So we're going to cancel that. Now for the product image, how do you want the image to show? So just leave it by default, unless you want to just make some changes basically. So you can change it to square one. So me, I just basically like to leave it this way because I actually love the way it looks. You understand? Like once you touch it, it's bringing out the picture closely. Like if you look closely, you don't see that bringing out closely. So let's just leave save. So now options and attributes. So now you can put the price, that's the price of products and everything. So now the shipping, remember I mentioned of that. So where are you shipping to exactly? The rest of the world, you can come here and it. Now tax. Now tax is basically available for say those people that outside the world, they always give a tax. So you check for the country that you actually want that you target. So if it's you like in the UK, you have to pay tax, you understand? So now you show products, related products, show custom email. Just put your own email, your email list. So this one you set it. This is e-commerce functionality. This is very important. Now, like I said, they have paid packages. You don't need this unless if you want to add extra functionality to the website. But this is basically all you need to get started. So I haven't said all that. So now we're going to see this collection, just like I made mention of earlier on. I said this, so let's so basically, this is what we have here. This is what we have. Then now the about us page, you want to add that because I actually did that for this client. So they got get to know him better. So now testimonials. To add testimonials, simply just come to the site. So just come here, like I said, look at testimonials. Now choose the kind of testimonials you want. Look at it, look closely, see that I made use of the one that's three. This particular testimonial is what I use. So you can just add it. Testimonial command line. Basically what I used, you see, basically what I used. So just edit what you want to edit. And the contact us, you can change. Once you click on it, you can change what you want it to be, like the phone number, the email you want to display, the phone notes, the emails, and so on and so forth. So social details, as if you have them, that's the social details, basically Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, all those accounts that people can reach out to. So just put in the link and it automatically generates, you understand. So basically that's it. So from that off now, advanced settings, which is auto reply email. Instruction is ability to use a package. So basically you did that. Now if you're into coding, you can add some coding at this place. That's just extra first. Now, custom thank you messages. So basically, once someone fills in with contact us, you can say thank you for contacting us. We have received. When they say custom means there's already a default message that is attached to you. So once you click save and done, once I fill in my information over here, going to give me name, so on and so forth. So now, for this now you can see this like this Google map. Now you can change that. So basically, you can change that. So what we're going to do is what I'll always tell you to do, just come here, attack contact. Right. So now you can see over here that different type of contact form. You can see the one that just comes with map, just different structures. So basically, that's it for anyone that you're comfortable with. Understand? Anyone you're comfortable with. So just do this. So let me just confirm that. Mistake. All right. So this one, I'm deleting this. So now, once I delete this, let's see if there's any change. Okay. I don't think that's changed. So what I'm going to do is click publish again. Yes. So I think we have to do this every time. Or we just preview it. We just preview. So remember earlier on we didn't publish it. That's basically what to showing that. So now you can see testimonials we kept here, the contact us. So this one you can edit it. How do you edit this? So just head over here. So click on edit footer. Then edit, change the layout, depending on what you want. Float button, social share button, what exactly what you want. Now take note, this is me setting it to what desktop mode. So I go to mobile mode to see how it actually looks like. Understand? To actually see how it looks like. So basically, it's actually beautiful. I actually like it. I actually like the structure. So now let's say I want to add add okay. Let's see. Something. Okay, I didn't make mention of this. That's for the others. I think I talked about settings. I don't talk about others. So now this is where you see the others, the place where people order. Like coupons, you can set coupons, add the coupons. So because it's VIP, so you have to pick a plan. So excuse me for that. So now click on insight. You can see the data of people who have actually viewed stuff. And then you can click on preview to see what you actually edited. So now, having said all that, it should be good to go. Okay, let's see. So now let's look at the website structure. How do we want the website to be? Once I click on this, it will change. Understand? Now take note, we can go back. Yes, we can go back. You can see there's a change in it. You put this, then go to this. So that change the structure of the website basically. So now let's go back. Go back. This is the fourth stuff. Now, remember the background needs to tally sometimes. Basically, that's to tally. Now, black, white, blue, this is actually beautiful. Now, the reason I use this yellow, orange, or whatever background it is just because it's not too light. You understand? Now, if I'm being too serious, now you can see this website later. I made use of the blue background, something just to make it look fitted. You understand? Something to make it look presentable. Basically, make it look presentable. Now you can put your logo here. Now is a logo maker. I will just upload logo. Now you want to create a logo, I just head over to Canva. So just type in Canva and see Canva. Basically not advisable because you are actually making monthly money. So just log in, create your account and go to go. Understand? So basically, that is where you do that. Then, okay, so what else should we do? What else should we do? Okay, so now please take note. Make sure your SEO stuff is actually add the description. Now, the reason why I need to put SEO here is because we want your website to show on Google. It's very important. Put the keywords you want, the image. But now, because using site123, website builders actually help you to rank your stuffs. Understand? Website builders actually help you to rank your stuff. So just make sure you do so, do justice to that. Then, all right. So now this is one of the websites one of the student created. Now let's take a look at this website. Now she created this website. Let's go to this website. Created this website using what? Using site123. Yes, she used site123. And you can be able to tell now through the training she was able to start her own business. She's also a student and she has been able to make money from it. Understand? So basically this is the pastor. See how she organized everything. Look very clean and beautiful. So now you notice what she used. See, she used black, white. Look at the background. Look at the background. So basically, that is how you also should also take notes. And so just take note that this is very important when you actually create a website that you would actually do stuff like this also. Background matters and the home page what you're using. So now that's basically it. So now I'm going to return to my dashboard because I want to show you website that created. So I, one of the ones I did, which is this one, this one over here. So once I click on edit, so it's going to take me to basically what I was saying here. So this part start. So this is it. You can edit everything here. Everything here. Now exactly what I showed you over here, something similar. So you just need to be flexible. You just need to know how to construct your stuff. Now you may be saying, how do I edit this? How do you edit this? It's very simple. Just click on edit header. Then, like I said, you set it to how you want it to be. Logo icon, social network, additional address, email, phone numbers. So let's see, click on edit. So let's see the type of this one. You see WhatsApp. That's why you're seeing WhatsApp over here. Understand? So now head over to this place. Now for this place, so buttons, see buttons over here. So that's basically it. Nothing to change the word, nothing to complex, nothing to complex. Now let's go back to my site. Let's click on this now. It's now you're good to go. You have to go to your website. Now I want to pick a package. Now this company apparently just offers upfront payments. So basically it's not like monthly. It's not like monthly. They'll just give you a discount if you are going paying like through monthly structure. So they'll give you a discount. But you through the site, you have to pay for like 1 year and the rest. That's basically it. Now see website access means um who do you want to have access to the website? So is it public password under construction? Set it. Now so why if it's under construction, what do you want? Plugins are custom code. Plugins you can select. You don't necessarily you don't need it. You need it like Google Analytics and so on and so forth. So by you're going to see the kind of custom. So add new plugin. I think it's different plugins actually use for your websites. Google Analytics, Google AdSense, guys, make sure when you have a blog, you need it. You understand? You need it. So, um, live chat support, basically all this, you understand? Basically all this. Now, because it is what it is, basically, is paid version. You don't have access to that. You don't have access to that. So contributors, like I said, who do you want to have access? Like adding people that contribute to the website. Just send the email address and become admin. They get admin access to manage your website. Basically, that's what I did over there. You can see we come over here, see contributors. So when I created the website for him, I just added his email and basically it's having access to the website and also have access to the website. You understand? So now let's head over to this place. Now, form is when they actually fill in that contact stuff. Automatically, you get a notification or a message. Basically, your message. And also, like I said, so just come here, within WhatsApp, right? So automatically change to WhatsApp. You understand? So this page not too much of a picture. I decided to just do that so you see it yourself. So basically, you are good to go. Let's do something you want to add again. Okay. So for now, you don't have the button. Exactly what you want to be on the web page. So click the button. So the button should appear here. So need to edit the button. So let's click edit. So let's to settings. So you scroll down and redirect which one to do what. So scroll down to e-commerce. Just redirect your now. Yeah, I wanted to redirect is basically men's place. So now I'm just going to copy the link. Go back to this place and put URL. What kind of just about shop. It's not actually compulsory you do this. Statement is not actually compulsory you actually do this. You understand? You can change it to anywhere you want to. So basically, I think that should be all. To set. Okay, very good. So basically, here you go. We have our button. Not really that, not really looking good because it's meant to be shop now. So then shop, yes. So good. So now said. So let's put in. All right. Like I use test format or just upload video. So to publish, it's good to go. Basically, good to go. Right. So basically, you have here. So just continue editing. Now, there you go. Basically, this is your store. Store waiting for you. Basically, store waiting for you. It's as simple as ABC. You see, if you look at the time, I started like just it took me 20 minutes basically. It took me 20 minutes to actually create this. And I want to create this for your client. You can actually what go on with your usual activity. You understand? Like I said, you can edit the layout. You can also edit this part. Like I said, you can edit it. So you can change the layout. Change the layout. How do you want it to appear? Remember, I made mention of this. I told you how you can change the layout. So basically, we do justice to that. Then for the testimonials, contacts, everything is just here. Everything is just here. All right. So if you have any questions, do let me know. And yeah, that's about that. So this website, I created this website for clients, and my student created this website for business. You see, so I'm making money by creating websites instead of making money by what having our own website. So this is just e-commerce functionality. So when you also want to create your own website, you can add any functionality or what feature you actually feel is better for your store. You understand? So that is that about that. And thank you for taking your time to watch my video. We do have a nice day.